Hello everyone. I just wanted to share my Python basics for hacking course so that you might find it useful if you're trying to learn Python for security purposes. I created this slide deck a while back, but I just made few changes to be compatible with Python 3.0. So let me quickly share my screen and show you what you get by downloading this free tutorial. And if it interests you, you can just download and take a look at it. So if you look at my screen, I will put these links in the description below, but this is just the link, and you can just type in 0 here, and then you can say want this, and then you can put your email address and download this PDF file. And in that PDF file, it's around 100 slides long. You're going to get the different basics of what a variable is, how to do looping, file handling, exception handling, which are the core basics you need to kickstart your security career in Python. And you also have some advanced tutorials like socket programming, scraping the web, and networking concepts. If you go towards the end, I also have some exercises which with the source code, so that you can try to do it yourself. If not, you can look at the source code and see if it's working for you. Okay, nothing fancy, but something it can be a quick refresher if you're trying to get into Python. So that's all I wanted to share today. Thank you for your time.